What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you like literally how savage my cat is. Okay, so where the crap is she? So you might remember her from Gas Pedal. You didn't really see her though, so that's why a lot of you commented horrible posts, comments like Miles. I'm talking about you. Okay. Okay, so, where should I put it? Where to put it? Okay, come here. Come on. Cal. Come here. Get the treat. Okay. So, Cal, come on. I am going to... Yeah, that was my mom. She just did a quick what's up. Okay, so come here. Look. Wait, hold up. I gotta just place it down real quick. Real quick. As you can see, guys, she literally just jumped up on top of the
Boom! I will jump anywhere.
She literally and now she's about to just. I mean, like, you're a savage, Cal. Who does that? And then, okay, my cat is a savage. So, peace, guys.